Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to clear chat history on WeChat. So let's see. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on my WeChat app right here. So it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you can do here is to simply select the contact that you want to clear their chat. I'm going to select this particular contact right here. Now, for you to clear the chat history, what you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. So simply click on that and it takes you right here. Next thing you can do here is to simply click on clear chat history. So click on that and it's going to ask you confirm deletion of the chat history with this contact. Simply click on clear. As simple as that. By the time you go back, then the chat environment become clear. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to clear or delete chat history on WeChat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.